Hi everyone! As a lot of you already know, the cryptocurrency market has gone from being worth pretty much nothing at all to being worth well over $1 trillion in just the last 12 years, creating for a lot of people an outrageous amount of wealth. In this video, I'm going to give you a very straightforward, step-by-step guide on how to buy cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin or Dogecoin, Ethereum, or any other that takes your fancy. This will be useful to anyone who wants to start making money through cryptocurrencies. For this video, I'll be using Kraken, a free, very well known and safe exchange that I've used for the last few years. It takes just a few minutes to set up an account and, like I said, it doesn't cost anything. So, to create an account to allow you to start buying and selling cryptocurrencies, you open up the Kraken homepage, which looks like this. To get started, you click on the Create Account tab up here in the top right. And now you'll be asked for your email address, and then you'll have to come up with a username and password for your new account. It's important that you remember these because people have literally lost millions because they've forgotten their password, so do take this seriously. Given your country of residence, for me that's Germany, obviously you should make some attempt to understand the terms and conditions, although I don't. I then finish up by clicking on Create Account. Now an activation code will be sent to the email address you've given earlier. Once you type your code into the little box, you'll be brought to a page which looks like this. So at this point, we've now opened up an account on the Kraken cryptocurrency exchange. We now want to fund our account with our base currency. The currency you should use is whatever currency is in your bank account. So when I'm in Ireland or here in Germany, it's obviously going to be euro. But if you're in the US, then obviously dollar is what you're going to want to use. But for security reasons, before we can fund our account for the very first time, we first need to verify our account. So to verify our account, we either click here in this yellow field, or we can click on our name in the top right hand corner and click onto Get Verified. Here we can see 3 different types of accounts that are available on Kraken. All of these are free to use. Regardless of your experience, I recommend that you verify for an intermediate account, which should only take a couple of minutes, and its limitations shouldn't affect the average user. So when you're finished filling in your details and you click on Next, you'll be brought to another page where you'll be asked to upload images of documents to prove the details you have given are correct. I just uploaded a picture of my license and a utility bill. I remember I got an email from a lady asking me to upload a more recent utility bill from within the last 3 months. So that obviously delayed things a little bit for me. They are a bit fussy on things like that, so make sure the documents you upload are up to date and you should be grand. Your account will usually be verified after about 5 minutes, after which you'll get an email to confirm this. And you will now see Verified under your intermediate account. Now you can start funding your account to buy cryptocurrency. So to fund your account, you click on Funding at the top, and then you click on the word Deposit beside the relevant currency. And then in the drop-down menu beside Deposit Method, you click on whatever deposit method suits you best. I generally go for a SEPA payment. When you click onto this, you're given details that you need to be able to send money from your bank account to your Kraken account. When your Kraken account receives these funds, you can finally start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So to demonstrate to you how to buy your first Bitcoin, you click into Trade at the top. And now I recommend you click on Intermediate so that specific options for buying and selling are available. Next to Order, you can click on the little tab where you can choose what it is you want to buy and a price list appears. Up at the very top, you see the currency you want to make the transaction using. And then you just click on the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So for this example, I'm choosing Bitcoin. So now we've stated we want to buy Bitcoin using the currency euro. Next to amount, you put in how much you want to spend. So for example, do you want to buy 100 euro worth of Bitcoin? Or do you want to buy 0.0025 Bitcoin? One Bitcoin costs around $50,000, and so you don't need to buy a full Bitcoin. They can be broken up into tiny fractions as well. For now, I'll click on Euro and I'll say I want to buy 100 euro worth of Bitcoin. Now you need to decide if you want to buy using a market order or if you want to wait until the price falls to a lower price that you're happier with. A market order just means that you buy Bitcoin at whatever price it's being sold at on the market at this moment. I tend to wait until the price falls to a better one though. Now I'm going to type in the price at which I'm happy to buy Bitcoin at, for this example at least. At my chosen price, 100 euro will buy me 0.248 Bitcoin. At this point, you click on the buy button at the bottom and you get a Lamborghini. Oh no, wait, sorry. You're asked to review and confirm your order, and then you click on buy once again. When the price of Bitcoin falls and hits the price you've selected, the Bitcoin's yours. If you ever want to see an overview of the market prices for individual cryptocurrencies, you can click on prices up at the top. In this list, you can click on any cryptocurrency and see its long-term graph, as well as any other information you might need. Personally, I'm big into buying and holding long-term, like on the timescale of years. Up until now, that served me very well, and I plan on continuing to do so, although I sometimes like to trade cryptocurrencies as well. In an upcoming video, I'll be showing you the safest way to store your cryptocurrency in a digital wallet for people who, like me, like to hold their cryptocurrencies long-term. So there you have it. Cryptocurrencies is a great way to add to your income. However, if you're carelessly throwing your money around without any plan, then it can also be a really quick way to lose a lot of money. Hope isn't a strategy, so think strategically about what you're doing, and most importantly, have fun while doing it. 1 like and subscribe equals 1 pet of the Doge, so you might as well go on and do it. Until my next video guys, bye for now.